Hi guys, welcome to today's class. Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020 or 2020. So, because it's December and soon is going to be Christmas, today we're going to do a Santa Claus. We're going to paint it, cut it, and unite it. As you see, the feet and the hands are apart. Okay, so let's start with the class. And what we are going to do is that we are going to paint all the Santa. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! Now that we have it painted, we are going to cut it with our scissors. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Boom! Done. Okay. Now that we have all the pieces cut it, we're going to use thread, hilo, to unite it. You can ask your moms to help you because it's a little complicated. I'm going to use the white one. And where is it? Okay. I'm going to use this one. Sorry for that, I found my thread, mi hilo y my needle, mi aguja. So, what we're going to do, or you can ask your moms to help you, that we're going to put the hilo. Sorry. Now that we have our thread in the needle, el hilo en la aguja, we're going to do this in the black dot, en el punto negro. We're going to put our needle, vamos a trazarlo con esta aguja, like this, and pass it like this, pasarlo así, and we're going to put it on our Santa, nuestro Santa. So it's the right foot, the right dot, de abajo, because the one, el que está arriba es para la mano, like this. We're going to have something like this. So after that, we're going to take out our needle. Vamos a sacar la aguja. Vamos a acercar nuestro Santa. Sí. Vamos a cortar un buen pedazo, como por aquí. So we can, para que lo podamos amarrar. We're going to make a knot, a nudo. Like this. So it will be something like this, and we're going to cut. Vamos a cortar lo que sobra, ¿no? De lo que sobra quedaría así, something like this, and we're going to assemble all 4 parts. Vamos a armar las 4 piezas para quedar algo something like this. Guys, don't do the thing with the thread. you can use the needle to do the holes like this, but instead of just putting the knot, hagan dos nudos, uno atrás y uno enfrente, so así se puede mover. I'm not finished, pero lo voy a terminar para enseñárselos el martes. Terminen los suyos y para verlos. And that will be all. Thank you for coming. See you on Tuesday.